In this video, we'll show you how to back up your iPhone text messages to iCloud. iCloud is a top choice for file management and storage, and will guide you through the simple process to keep your messages safe. Let's dive in. Part 1. What kinds of files can be backed up to iCloud? Messages, SMS, images, call logs, home screen, settings, app data, photos, videos, contacts, mail notes, calendars, ringtones, purchase history, books, music, TV shows. Part 2. How to back up text messages from iPhone or iPad or Mac to iCloud. Number 1. Back up text messages from iPhone or iPad to iCloud. Update your iPhone to iOS 11.4 or later and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, turn on Messages. Your messages will now be stored in iCloud. How to back up your iPhone to iCloud. Back up a whole iPhone and text messages are included. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi and a power source. Go to Settings, iCloud, turn on iCloud Backup. Click Backup now for a manual backup. Number 2. Backup text messages from Mac to iCloud. Open Messages on your Mac. Click Messages Preferences. Check Enable Messages in iCloud. Click Sync now for immediate backup. Part 3. How to back up text messages on iPhone or iPad without iCloud. Due to iCloud's 5 GB limit, use Mobikin Assistant for iOS to back up text messages. It saves messages in HTML, CSV, XML, RECFF, and text formats. Allows previews and manages iTunes backups. Install Mobikin Assistant for iOS and ensure the latest iTunes is installed on your computer. Launch the program and connect your iPhone via USB. Click Trust on your iPhone and continue on the program interface. The program will detect your iPhone and display its files sorted into folders on the left panel. Go to Messages, Preview Conversations, and select the items to back up. Click Export to save the selected SMS in a readable format on your computer.